hello again everyone. Video ki start hai sir. So this is the second video on CPM, and if you didn't watch the first video, please watch the first video and come back. So in this problem, here is the table that is given to us, and we have to first draw the graph. So for drawing the graph, we first have to see some independent states. So here we have three independent states, A, B, and C. So we draw them first. So we start off with 0, and we will have three paths to go to: A, B, and C. And we will write the duration of each path. So A has duration of 2, B has duration of 6, and C has the duration of 4. Now we will have to see where each of the paths end, where each of the states ends. So first we see that A ends at D and A also ends at F. So here we have the state where A ends, and from here we will have two states, one going to D, one taking the path of D and one taking the path of F. Later we see that in G we find B, G, and E, B, D, and E. So B, D, and E. Where's E? But E starts after. Here we see E starts after C, so this should be E. And E has the duration of 5. F has the duration of 4. D has the duration of 4 is not visible. D has the duration of 3. And D, wait. Acha. So there won't be this one. D, E, and B, these three meet at G. This end at G, and through G we get to the final state. And we also see that F doesn't end anywhere, so F must go to the final state. So F has, let me rewrite this duration. F has a duration of 4. Now let us fill up the blanks in each state. So this state, from 0 we are taking 2 in this direction, so it will have 2, and after 2, if we take the D path, we get here 5, but there are 3 paths going through this state, so we have to take the maximum one, so we'll wait for the other values. If we take this path from 2 plus 4, we will get here, so we will also write down this value here. And if we take the path of B, then we'll reach here, and this will be 6. No, this won't be 6, it will be the maximum of 6 and this path. So this path will be, C has 4, so this will be 4, and if we add 4 with 5, we'll get 9 over here. So this will have the value of maximum of whichever is maximum from these two, and we clearly see 9 is greater, so we will put 9 over here. Erase করে না কেন, কি অবস্থা? এত বাজে আচ্ছা শোন so we're putting 9 over here and then if we add 9 with 2 we'll get 11 so another value is 11 and wait this will be the maximum of 5 6 and 9 so 9 will be the greatest we put 9 over here and this will have the value of whichever is greatest between 6 and 11 so this will be 11 so finally we put 11 over here and the final state is 11 so we put 11 over here and now we have to backtrack so 11 minus 4 this can have from two possible values so 11 minus 4 it will be 7 and 11 minus 2 this will be 9 and 9 minus 3 9 minus 3 it will be 6 so the minimum out of 7 and 6 so this will be 6 and 9 minus 6 this will be 3 the minimum out of 3 and 6 minus 2 minimum out of 4 and 9 minus 5 this will be 4 so 4 minus 4 this will be 0 so the minimum out of these three values is 0 so this will be 0 and we are done with the graph so let us check if the graph matches our solution this was a solution done by my friend so let's compare the solution Norwas dekh to mile naki
হ্যাঁ দোস্ত প্রথমটা হলো 0 0 তারপর এ যেটা পেয়ে গেছে ওটা হলো
হ্যাঁ 2 6 মিলছে
2
আচ্ছা
6 তার নিচে হলো 9 9 তার নিচে 4 4
so now we have to fill up these so as we discussed in the previous video it's really easy if you first put in the values of early start and late finish so early start for A it will be 0 this 0 over here let me use another color so this 0 and this 6 late finish will be this 6 so for B it will be this 0 over here and this 9 we should also fill up the values of EF and LS so EF will be as we remember the formula EF equals ES plus duration and LS equals LS minus LF minus duration so for EF the value will be 0 plus 2 so EF will be 2 and for LS it would be 6 minus 2 that would be 4 for B it will be 0 plus 6 this will be 6 and 9 minus 6 it will be 3 so for C the value will be for C the ES will be this 0 over here so 0 and this 4 over here so 4 and the duration is 4 so this will be 4 this will be 4 minus 4 0 for D where's D for D the ES will be this 2 and the LS will be this 9 so this will be 9 and 2 plus 3 this will be 5 and 9 minus 3 this will be 6 for E the EF will be this value over here 4 and for LS that it will be this 9 so the duration is 5 so 4 plus 5 equals 9 and 9 minus 5 equals 4 okay so moving on for state F the the EF will be this 2 over here so 2 and the ls will be this 11 over here, and the duration is 4, so 2 plus 4, this will be 6, and 11 minus 4, it will be 7. Finally, for state G, the EF will be this 9 over here, so 9, and the LS will be 11, and the duration is 2, so 9 plus 2, 11, and 11 minus 2, this is 9. Now we have to calculate the slack time. So finding slack time is really easy. We can either subtract this value, these two values, or we can choose to subtract these two values. Either way, we'll get the same result. So for
The
this
difference has to be absolute.
huh
So we cannot accept minus sign.
কি
But minus sign to নিতে পারবো না. It has to be absolute.
হ্যাঁ the মানে LF minus it will
It has
subtract
to
the
be absolute.
the value should be positive always, so this will be 3, 9 minus 6, this will be 4 minus 4, 0, or we can do 6 minus 2, this will be 4, 4 minus 4, this will be 0, or 11 minus 6, it will be 5,
5.
and 11 minus 11, 0.
0.
Now whichever has the value zeros, it will be critical path. So this one is a critical path, this one is a critical path, and this one is a critical path. So we have three critical path, and if we have to mark the critical path in our figure, we see the critical paths are C, E, and G. So C, E, and G, this is the critical path, right? Now let us draw the Gantt chart. Gantt chart take দিই,
হ্যাঁ
তারপর স্টাফ ইউটিলাইজেশন করে শেষ করে দিই এটা, তারপর দোস্ত একটা 5 মিনিট ব্রেক, 5-10 মিনিট ব্রেক নেব. So now let us do the Gantt chart. So for the Gantt chart we know a simple method, the values will go from 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, as the highest value over here is 11. Now how to draw a Gantt chart? First we write all the states over here, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now we start from the early start and go to the late finish, so 0 to 6,
all the way 6.
Now we mark from early start to late start, early finish, early start to early finish, we mark this part. So 0 to 2 will be marked over here. So for B,
0
we
to
will
9.
go from 0 to 9, and
We
for
mark
B
0
to 6 will be marked from 6. Achha, for C,
For C 0 to 4.
0 to 4 will be fully marked. For D, 2 to 9, so 2, so we'll start from 2 and we'll go till 9, and we have to mark from 2 to 5, so 2 to 5, as
Sorry, 2 to
the
5.
early finish is 5. So that was for D. Now for E,
4 to 9.
4 to 9, so 4 to 9 will be fully marked as it.
So 2 9.
For F, we'll mark from 2 to 11, 2 to 11, no, we'll draw the line from 2 to 11, and we have to mark from 2 to 6, so 2 to 6 will be marked.
For G 9 to 12.
For G, 9 to 11 will be fully marked.
Fully marked. E টা চেঞ্জ করা লাগবে.
কি চেঞ্জ করা লাগবে?
E টা 0 থেকে দিছি.
হ্যাঁ, E তো
4 to 9.
4 to 9 E will start E কোনটা দোস্ত E তো এটা না
ওটা এফ
ও
আর দোস্ত প্যারা নাই
আচ্ছা
জাস্ট
4 to 9 না
4 to 9
তো নিজেই বুঝতেছি না কি দিছি 4 to
হ্যাঁ
9 আচ্ছা 4 এই জায়গায়
সামনে একটু
so this so E will be from 4 to 9
জিটাও অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইউজ করা লাগে
দোস্ত এটা বুঝে
9
নিবে আমি তো মুখে মুখেই বলছি so
হ্যাঁ
now let us go to the staff utilization part so for staff utilization part let us first wait for staff utilization part we have to first see the critical path so E C and G these are the three critical tasks right so first we have to take the duration of the three critical tasks so the summation of these the durations of three critical tasks is 4 plus 5 plus 2 we have to multiply this with the stuff required of non-critical path so let us use another color 3 4 3 2 so 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 that gives
12
us 12 and let us also calculate this value over here Achha, we can just write it off
11
for 11 wait
4 না ওটা
4 plus 5
11
plus 11 this gives us 11 so 11 into 12 and above we have to multiply each of these so 2 into 3 6 into 4 4 into 6 3 into 3 5 into 4 4 into 2 and 2 into 3 and we have to sum all of these and let us find the summation so 2 into 3 plus 6
into
into
4
4 plus 4
তারপর
into 6 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4 plus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 3 gives us 96 তো কি 96 আসে
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা so 96 divided by
132
11 into 12
132
so this gives us 0.7272 so if we get the percentage
around
this is give us 72.72% and this is the final answer shesh mama shesh so this was the second math done that was the second example of CPM and আমি একটু pause মারি দাঁড়া pause মারতে পারতেছি না